Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will. In this video, I am going to explain you how to set the limits in the AutoCAD. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Before that, let's open the AutoCAD software. So in the AutoCAD software, we are going to draw our drawing in this drawing panel. So in the AutoCAD software, the drawing area is infinite space in the nature. So here in the x coordinates, the x coordinate starts from minus infinity to plus infinity. So similarly in the y axis also it starts from minus infinity to plus infinity. Means our AutoCAD software is infinite in the space. So this is the total infinite space. So here we can able to set some limits in the AutoCAD. So before that, let me tell you what is exactly the limits. Limits is nothing but to set a rectangular space or rectangular area out of the entire space to perform the drafting or drawing. So we will assign some rectangular space out of the entire space. So let me show you how can we give the limits. So before giving the limits, we should need to know 2 points. This is the lower left corner point of this rectangle, and we should need to know upper right corner of the rectangle. So we will give these 2 points in the x and y coordinates. So let me show you how we can set the limits in the AutoCAD. So for setting the limits, we need to use the command lim. After that, click on enter. So in the command prompt, it asks us to specify the lower left corner. I am giving 0, 0 means origin as my lower left corner, 0, 0, and click on enter. Again it asks us to specify the upper right corner. So upper right corner I am giving in the x direction as 1000 units, comma in the y axis I am giving the 500 units. After that, click on enter. So automatically it assigns a rectangular space in the x direction as 1000 units, in the y direction it gives us 500 units. So after that, click on Z, enter, and after that click on A, enter to zoom our total area. So this is how we can able to set the limits in the AutoCAD software. So I hope you like this video, and please share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. So be safe, be happy. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Jai Hind.